Due to individual differences in skin type, it is recommended to apply a small amount in separate lines to inside of the arm or behind the ear before first use. If there is no allergic or uncomfortable reactions, it is safe to use. Removing siya. Grabe, ang tagal naman na shelf life niya, 3 years. Take an appropriate amount in your palm, add water and rub to create foam gently massage on the face and then rinse with water. Can be used in the morning and evening. So ano pala to?